They tell me that I'm never, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me.
Hi guys, how are you all doing? Prep with me, your girl is going to Tokyo. My hair is really messy. That's why I'm having this on. I don't think you even want to see how it looks like. So we're going to do our hair today. I want to get some braids on. Then I'll fix my lashes, fix my nails, and then I'll do one or two things in town. So let's go.
That and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me.
A few moments later.
Hi guys, so we are back. We've got our hair done. Guys, let me show you. This is so nice. Like, I'm loving everything from how the lady styled it. Like, she even became my friend. Like, I'm just feeling my hair, as you can see. And I also did my nails. Let me show you. So this is it. It looks really nice. Like, I like my nails, and also fixed my lashes, and they are cute. I did my toes as well. Okay, so guys, this is my toe. Like, they are so cute, so cute. Okay guys, so I also got some really nice jewelry. You already know that I love pearls, so I got this one from the market. This is how it looks like. Like, it's really nice. It has this thing on it. We are traveling, but still now we want to look nice. So I also got this. Like, let me show you guys. Cute. Okay, where do this? And I got this necklace. I got this nice necklace. I got this earrings too. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. And what else? What else? What else? I got this bracelet. This is very nice as well. So these are all the things I got, and I think so far so good. We are ready for Tokyo, and I'll be seeing you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.